Good morning, all of you. So now, as we come to know that last class we have been studied two chemical properties of metals. That is reaction of metals with oxygen and as well as reaction of metals with water.
Reaction of metal with water.
So now, in our today's class, we are going to study the next chemical property of metals, that is third property, that is reaction of metals with dilute acid. So please all of you write. So what is that? Reaction of metals with dilute acids. Dilute acids. Is it okay, guys? Shall we start? So this is our next chemical property of metal. Hope. Shall we start now? Tarani? Okay. So if you observe, metals usually displace hydrogen from dilute acids. That is what you have to remember. So if you take reaction of metals with dilute acid, you may understand this reaction. We can say they are displacing hydrogen from dilute acid. So this reaction also we can call it as what? Displacement reaction. Do you understand? Guys? And as we know, displacement reaction, who can replace the hydrogen? Who can replace the hydrogen? Less reactive element or more reactive element?
More reactive.
Less hydrogen. Please respond me.
More reactive element, sir.
More
reactive element displaces the hydrogen.
So that is what in metal activity series, the elements which is present above hydrogen only can form a respective products. Now let us see. As we know, metals usually, as we know already just now, metals usually displace what, guys? What they will displace? Usually displace hydrogen from dilute acids. Hydrogen from dilute acid. So if you observe here, only like the less reactive metals like copper, silver, gold do not displace hydrogen from dilute acid. So when a metal reacts with a dilute acid, then if you observe, the more reactive metals, they will displace hydrogen from acid and they will form respective salt plus hydrogen gas. What is the products in this? Respective salt plus hydrogen gas. Do you understand, Ra? So if you take here metal plus dilute acid, if any acid if you take, which one will react? More reactive or less reactive metal? More reactive metal. Understanding? It will form respective metal salt plus hydrogen. Is the standard equation of what, guys? Reaction of metals with dilute acids. So please note it down. So if metals will react with dilute acids, what is the products we can expect? One respective salt plus
Respective metal salt plus hydrogen gas.
Understand, Padmarshini, Tarani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is 90 boy Kadir. Who is that? Please rename it. Katirni something is there. Okay. So now, observe very carefully. Let us see. All metals do not react with dilute acids. That is, you should remember. So, all the metals do not react with dilute acid. So you have to remember here which metals will react with dilute acids. Anybody? The metals.
The sodium, potassium,
Yes.
calcium, magnesium, aluminum,
Yes.
zinc, iron.
I'm not asking examples. Which are more reactive than? Which are more
Yes,
reactive?
sir. Hydrogen. More reactive than hydrogen.
React with the dilute acid. So if we'll take, for example, like copper, silver, and gold, they are less reactive than hydrogen. So they never form. Understanding salt plus hydrogen gas when they react with the dilute acid. So in this also, if you'll observe, the metals which will react with the dilute acids, in that also the vigorous of reaction of metal with dilute acids depends on its chemical reactivity, means how vigorously or how fastly it is reacting with the dilute acids is depends on its what, guys? Chemical reactivity. Do you understand, guys? Some metals react explosively, means in the sense of extremely rapid. Understand, guys? Extremely rapidly they will react with the dilute acids. Some metals react only on heating. Some metals do not react at all. Do you understand, guys? Some metals vigorously react with the dilute acids. What do you mean by vigorously? Like explosively, like huge amount of heat energy also they will release. So vigorously, extremely rapidly with the dilute acids. Some metals react rapidly, some metals react only on heating, and some metals do not react at all. That is what you have to remember. So totally here 4 cases. What is the cases? Anybody can say? What is the cases? Anybody? 4 cases I am saying. What is that first case, Ra? Explosively. So some metals react explosively, means in the sense of extremely rapidly. Do you understand, guys? Extremely rapidly they will react. Second case, rapidly they will react. Rapidly they will react. Next one, on heating only they will react. And next last case, do not react. Do not react. So these are the 4 cases when dilute acids, means metal is reacting with the dilute acid. So now let us go with the one by one example. First one, metals react with the dilute hydrochloric acid to give metal chloride and hydrogen gas. What is that? Metal chloride and hydrogen gas. So first one, metals react with what, guys? React with the hydrochloric acid. What is the hydrochloric acid formula? HCl. What is the state? Aqueous gaseous state. Aqueous state or gaseous state?
Aqueous state, sir.
Which will give you, what is the products? Metal chlorides. Understanding? Metal chlorides plus hydrogen gas. Understanding? Because salts also varies. All the salts are not same. That is also you should remember. So now, let us write the reactions. First, the well-known metal to us. What is the well-known metal to us? Potassium. Is it yes or no?
Potassium.
Potassium. Let me take potassium first. So potassium plus hydrochloric acid will give you what, guys? Aqueous state.
HCl plus hydrogen.
HCl plus 2.
HCl is what is the state? Aqueous state. Plus hydrogen gas.
H2, hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas. That is you have to remember. Balancing, is it balanced? I think 2 HCl, 2K.
2K plus
2 HCl, 2 KCl, sir. 2K, 2 HCl plus 2 KCl.
Everybody remember, everybody responding means it is good. Everybody respond, call to absentees at least today also. What is this holiday only correct? I don't know what is the reason behind. So now, that is Harini, Akshaya, everybody try to respond at least in chat. Next. So if you'll observe here, this reaction shows that, you observe very carefully, sodium and potassium were extremely reacting. Understanding? Vigorously react. Understand? That is you should remember. So sodium. So let us take sodium. What is the symbol?
Na, sir.
Na.
With again hydrochloric acid, which is in aqueous state. So again, what will come?
Sir, these four
Sodium
metals
chloride.
react with dilute acid.
NaCl
H2O,
aqueous
sir.
state plus hydrogen gas.
Understand? So balancing you can take it. So
So
two
2Na, 2HCl, 2NaCl.
HCl, 2 NaCl.
examples of what, guys? Explosively. What is that? Explosively.
Explosively react with dilute acids.
With the dilute acids. So we no need to write dilute acid. DIL dot
Sir,
indicates
these
what?
two metals explosively, sir.
Highly explosively. Understand, Ra? Because they are highly reactive metals. Understand, everybody? Please respond. Pranav?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, next, let us go with the next metal, magnesium. So if we'll take magnesium, understand, Ra? So what is the symbol of magnesium? Mg.
Mg.
So magnesium plus
Sulfate plus
hydrochloric acid, which is in
HCl,
aqueous state,
aqueous
which will give you, what will give you?
MgCl,
MgCl2, which is also aqueous state plus hydrogen gas. So observe very carefully. Chlorines are 2. So here I have to keep 2. That's all. I think it is Mg2, Mg won't come. Mg plus 2 HCl will give you MgCl2 plus H2. Is it yes or no, guys?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is, you have to write less vigorous. So less vigorous means what? Rapidly it will react. Understand, guys? So only rapid. Is it okay? Please respond me. Okay? Less vigorously than sodium and potassium. So that is why we can say this one is called as react rapidly. Understand that? Less reactive than sodium. Next, if we'll take aluminium also rapidly reactive. What is that? Aluminium also rapidly. So what is the aluminium formula? You communicate.
Al
Yeah.
plus HCl will give AlCl plus H2.
AlCl.
Which is in aqueous state will give you what? Aluminium.
AlCl3.
AlCl3.
Sir, this is
Yes.
fourth example, sir. Al.
What was it?
Sir, Al is fourth example, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. So fourth example, AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. Now, let me see who will balance first. Smart way. Smart way how to balance. Fastly, Jesse, why are you silent? Varshini Bensi, respond me. Dilipat.
Sir, 2Al plus 6HCl, sir.
Sir, 2
sir.
Al plus 6 HCl will give 2 AlCl3 plus 3 H2, sir.
6 HCl plus 2 AlCl.
AlCl3
Plus 3 H2.
3H.
Plus
3H.
2Al plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2.
If you are not answering, 1 or 2 times at least, try to send in chat, because if you are not speaking, morning time you people will be in moody. It won't be go inside everything. Active, make your brain active by communicating. Communicating what is happening, why you people are silent, I don't know. And what is the use of attending? Is it a school class? Our personal class only, correct? Regular fun, you also, man, respond. Learn. That is what I will say. Balancing very fast in mind. Like your friends, you should not write it on paper. You should not waste time in exam. This is MCQ exam. Those who are wasting time in paper and pen, you will lose the marks. That is what. Try to communicate, speak. Anusri, you also. Jesse, you also. I am asking you once only. You have to respond. Call to absentees. Just please react to your absentees. Your friends only, correct? Next. Fifth example. So,
Sir, aluminum will react on heating only.
Aluminium also, you can take this magnesium and aluminium, you can take less rapid, means rapidly they will react. Not high rapidly, highly rapidly. So less rapidly means generally they will be rapidly react. Is it okay, guys? Magnesium and aluminium rapidly they will react. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
That is. So that is you should remember. Next, we will take the zinc. So can you able to say this is not a new reaction, zinc metal. So this is the oldest reaction we are studying from first chapter.
Zinc chloride.
So HCl, which is aqueous state, we are studying from the first chapter. Characteristics of chemical reaction. This is the first one, correct? Evolution of gas. Is it yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
No. You have
Evolution of gas.
so many reactions. Anything you can write. Balancing you can check it.
So ZN plus
Sir,
2
two
HCl
HCl.
will
Two
do
HCl.
ZN 2 plus H2.
NaCl2 plus H2. That's all. So this is less reactive than aluminum. Less reactive. Less reactive than aluminum. Do you understand, guys?
Sir, or else we can say on heating.
On heating illa. On heating this is not. Only iron.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is. So okay. Next, zinc. Zinc over. Actually, for zinc and iron, we have to heat only. Understand, Padmashini? That is why you can write it like that. Very good. That is also you can write. So next, iron. Iron symbol, tell me everybody, iron symbol, Fe. Iron react with the hydrochloric acid, which is in aqueous state. Recall to Nitish Kumar. Nitish, Dina, are you there in meeting? Dina, call to Nitish. Nitish is not there, you can check it. Nitish, next, Arya is there. Good morning, Arya, respond me. So, Fe plus HCl will give you what, guys?
FeCl2
FeCl2. So what is the FeCl2?
plus H2.
Iron 2 chloride. What is that?
Iron 2 chloride.
Chloride.
Understanding? Kevin, rest.
Ferric sulfate, sir.
Ferrous chloride.
Hydrogen gas.
This is ferric chloride.
So please respond me. Balancing. Is it balanced or not?
2 HCl, sir.
Yeah.
The
Two.
2 HCl.
2HCl.
2
2
HCl.
HCl.
This is also less reactive than iron or zinc. Less reactive. Less reactive than water. Zinc. That is not remember. So these two are we can write under heating also. Okay, guys. Please respond me. That is okay.
Sir.
You can see. Let me take next example. You have to be very smart. Let me see who will think. So copper metal reacting
There are
with
no reaction.
hydrochloric.
No reaction, sir.
No reaction, sir.
So
No
reaction.
reaction.
blindly people will write HCU copper. You will write copper chloride plus hydrogen gas. Yes or no? Yes, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Blindly people will write copper chloride CuCl2 plus hydrogen gas. But what is happening? This reaction itself not possible. Why, guys? Why this reaction is not
Because copper is less
Hydrogen
reactive
is
than
more
hydrogen,
reactive
sir.
than copper,
no
sir.
reaction? No reaction is
Sir,
the
copper, mercury, gold, and silver are less reactive than
Yes.
hydrogen.
That is you should remember. Okay. Yesterday also I said lead, copper, gold, etc. They won't react with the hot water also. Correct or not? Hot water, cold water,
sir.
or steam also. That is also you have to remember. So this is what it is called as. Understand? Ra? Reaction of metals with what? Dilute acids. Is it yes or no?
Dilute
Guys?
acids.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Sir.
Yes,
So-
sir.
You can observe very carefully. This is all about reaction of metals with what? Hydrogen chloride. Understand, Ra? Please respond me. Nobody answers. So you can do the experiment also. This one like testing production of hydrogen gas with the help of some like yesterday I have shown the experimental setup. Same experimental setup. Now you can see they will give you like the rate of formation of hydrogen gas bubbles decreases in the order of. For example, they will give you have to write understanding highly reactive. You have to read it because highly reactive you won't use. Why? They are explosive in nature. Is it yes or no? So decreasing hydrogen ions in the production of hydrogen understanding is like this. Magnesium is greater than, aluminum is greater than, zinc is greater than iron. Is it okay, guys? So while you are keep on going this, production of hydrogen bubbles will decreases. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me. Yes? Nobody
Yes,
is.
sir.
Yeah. So copper, like if you take silver and gold metals also do not react with the dilute acids. That is also you have to remember. So three metals which do not react with the dilute acids. I am saying here, what is that? What is that?
Copper, gold, silver.
Gold and silver. That is
Copper, gold, silver.
copper, gold, and silver. Everybody. So now this is what I am writing here. Magnesium, aluminum, zinc, and iron. What is this, guys? Please respond me. Rate of formation of hydrogen gas bubbles decreases. Understand, Ra? Rate of formation of hydrogen gas decreases in this way. So that is you have to remember. Okay. So if they will give less than, magnesium will come last, iron will come first. Is it okay, guys? Like that you have.
What, sir?
If they do let the increases, this is what decreases, correct? This is decreases. That is why magnesium is maximum. Next, second maximum, aluminum. Next, zinc and iron. If they will give you increasing order, increasing means how it will come, right? Anybody? Increasing
Iron,
means
zinc, aluminum, magnesium.
Aluminum, magnesium.
zinc less than, aluminum less than, magnesium. Like this will come. Is it okay, guys? Please respond.
Sir.
That is what.
Sir.
So now, this is what understanding how the metals will displace hydrogen from dilute acid. So some metals do not react. Understanding, metals do not react with the HCl or what is that? Copper, silver, Ag, and gold, A.
Gold.
Is it okay, Karthikeyan? Ag means silver. Please note it down if you don't know also. Au means gold. These are the examples of that. Please note it down, everybody. Understand, Ashika, Jesse? Clear?
Sir, lead.
Lead also you can keep, but usually these three metals only they will use to give. Okay? Understand? Jesse?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please. Next, let us go with that now. You can see the metals like copper, silver, which are less reactive than hydrogen, so that as we know, they do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids like this copper, silver, gold, and etc. They are less reactive than. Now you can take all the metals which are above in metal activity series, that which you will study in the next class. So they will displace hydrogen from dilute acids. So those metals are below hydrogen in metal activity series. They do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids like copper, silver, and gold. Is it yes or no, guys? Please respond me. So now this is all about the reaction of metals with dilute hydrogen chloride. Understanding? Liquid. Now let us go with that. We'll give the reaction of metals with dilute sulfuric acid. What it is, guys? Metals. Second one. Metals reacting with what, guys? Dilute sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4.
H2SO4.
They will give you metal sulfates. What will give you? Metal sulfates. All of you should remember. Metal sulfates plus hydrogen gas. Puranjicha, everybody. So hydrochloric acid, chlorides will give. Sulfuric acid, sulfates will give. Understand, Tarani? Jesse? That is. So,
Yes, sir.
the reactions of sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, and iron metals react with the sulfuric acid. So anyhow, here also hydrogen only displacing. So please let me say, who will say fastly? Say the equations, everybody. Reaction of
Sir, K plus H2SO4 will K2SO4.
sodium metal react with the H2SO4. One by
Sir,
one.
no potassium, sir.
Potassium you leave it, no issue. Sodium.
Na2SO4 plus H.
Na2SO4 plus
Na2SO4.
Na plus H2SO4 will give Na2SO4.
You are saying NaSO4. NaSO4 wrong. Na2S.
Na2 only said, sir.
Okay, that is. So balancing, you check it. So balancing, what will come?
2Na, sir. Sir, 2Na.
Na, sir.
Will give you Na2SO4 plus H2. Na2SO4, what we should call? Sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate.
Aluminum.
Aqua region. Understand, Kevin? Very good, Kevin. Next, observe very carefully.
Sir, aqua regia, can you teach one time, sir?
Huh?
Aqua regia.
That is only I am going to teach.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is what you only focus. That try to answer. Pranita, be in time. Pranita, it's a request. Everybody, don't be late. It is very very important, and you are going to miss it only. I know. What is the step position of all you people? Everybody, the late joining, please avoid it. Right. Next question. Answer. Everybody respond. Those who join now also. Second metal, magnesium. Take the magnesium. Magnesium is reacting with the H2SO4. So again, you wait. Nitinath, Padmasini, all.
MGS.
You wait.
Okay,
Let them
sir.
speak. Yalni, speak. Yalni. Respond me. Others. Akhil. Magnesium sulfate. MgSO4. Aqueous.
MgSO4 plus H2.
MgSO4
That is. Pranav, respond, Rare. How many times I should make? Is it balanced or not? Tell me. Balanced or not? It is. Yeah, MgSO. Very good, Akshaya. At least chart. Akshaya is sending in chart. You people cannot speak. That is also. Everybody respond means it is good, correct. Nitish, you also. So magnesium react with sulfuric acid will give you magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen. Everybody knows magnesium after which metal, Ra? Aluminium. So let me see who will say aluminium. You wait, Ra. Aluminium.
Sir.
Pranav will say aluminium. Say, Ra, Pranav. Aluminium react with H2SO4. Speak. Don't be silent. Aqueous state will give you what? Jesse.
Al2 SO4
thrice will plus what is that?
Hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen gas.
Yes, balancing. It is not balancing. The here 2.
2A.
Understanding? Next.
H2SO4.
So here SO4.
Sir, 3H2SO4.
Yeah, 3
Sir, then
3H2SO4 and 2Al, sir.
Yes, very good. Everybody is answering now. So responding, it is good, really. That is what I want. That
Sir,
is,
1 minute, sir.
yeah. Please write it.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, for this here also, Na will be very reactive, Mg will be less vigorous, and Al will be less vigorous.
Same thing. Okay. So this formula, those who don't know, remember Al3 plus SO4 2 minus polyatomic ion. While crisscrossing, what will come? Al2
Al2 SO4 thrice.
thrice it is. Bracket should come. No, those who don't know, you should write it. Is it okay, guys? Jesse, Pranita, at least yes, respond me in chat. Varshini, what happened? Became very silent. Tarani also. Anusri also. Akhil Arfan, Anusri, no response at all. Next, at least one time I want to hear your voice. Next, fourth one. So, aluminum after which metal, Ra? Akhil Arfan, aluminum after which metal? Check it. Zinc. So, zinc is reacting with what? H2SO4. Correct or not? Arvind, very good, Arvind. So we'll give you what? Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4.
ZnSO4
plus H2.
Plus H2, sir.
That is. So I think it is already balanced. Is it yes? Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
So please write it. You have to know equations. Metals and non-metals means equations only. Full of equations, plenty of equations. Arya, you also Arya. Not at all involving. I don't like this. Next, iron. Iron is reacting with what, guys? H2SO4. So which is also in aqueous state. Will give you what?
Iron sulfate.
Iron sulfate. Iron
SpSO4.
2 sulfate. What we should call? Iron 2 sulfate. Please remember. Iron sulfate or iron 2 sulfate. Or Dina is saying. Dina, what you are saying, Dina?
Parasulfate.
Very good. Parasulfate. That is what? That communication, thinking always. You have to be. Now, last reaction. Let us take last reaction. Copper. By this time, you have to say copper.
No reaction, sir.
No reaction.
Which is aqueous state. What is the products, Ra?
No reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction.
Jesse, what is the product? What is the product, Ashika? No reaction. Understand? You like you people. No response. No reaction. Why? Because copper is
It
less.
is not reactive
Less
than
reactive than nitrogen.
Very good. So now, let us see. We will discuss the reaction of metals with. We have discussed till now two things. Reaction of metals with what? Reaction of metals with what? Hydrochloric acid.
Reaction of metals with water
Hydrochloric acid and
and
Three,
dilute acids.
sulfuric acid.
sulfuric acid and hydrochloric. Yes, but we have some more acids. Nitric acid. Is it yes or no? Nitric
Yes,
acid.
sir.
Yes or no? Now,
Sir,
this is
nitric
what
acid.
the most important for MCQs. Please remember, everybody. Nobody will teach you till now. Everybody will teach reaction of acid. Acid means they will remember only two. What is that? Hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Correct?
Metal
Anna?
sulfur.
Please write it. Those who not written this one, you write it. Any doubt means ask me. So now we will discuss reaction of understanding metals with dilute nitric acid. Please all of you write. This is the third one. So metals react with what, guys? Dilute nitric acid. What is the
Dilute
formula of
HNO3.
nitric acid?
HNO3.
Understand? Everybody write
HNO.
it. Nitric acid. Amma call to Bhumiga, Yelmati, and who is absent? Harini, and two more is absent. I don't know who is that. Jesse, your friend, somebody joined. Oh, that fellow also not joined. Respond me. Okay. So that is so metal plus dilute hydrochloric acid. Let us see. This is what you have to remember. Everybody remember. This is what you have to remember. Ashika, very important this one. That is understanding reaction of metals with dilute nitric acid. When a metal react with dilute nitric acid, understanding the hydrogen gas is not evolved. No hydrogen
Water.
will fall. Is it understand, guys? No hydrogen gas will fall. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond me. You people won't respond. So hydrogen gas is not evolved. Understand, Ra? Okay. So now, how means observe nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. What is that? Nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. You understand, guys? So what is that, sir? I will say that also. You have to wait. So it is a very, very strong oxidizing agent. Do you understand, guys? Oxidizing agent. Understanding, Ra? So as we know, oxidizing agent, what do you mean by